Hello and welcome to my channel Applied Virtual Solutions. Today I am sharing with you 6 online certifications courses. You are able to take these courses online and in the comfort of your home. A certification can help with career advancement at your current company and give you an edge over other candidates in the market. It demonstrates to employers that you are well trained as well as committed to professional growth within your profession. A list has been compiled from sources that gives information on these 6 certifications. You can take these courses online without traveling to a center. First, what are certifications? A certification is a credential that demonstrates that you have the knowledge, experience and specific skills needed for a specific field or job. Certifications are different from professional licenses that may be required to hold certain jobs. Certifications assess and verify that a person has proficiency or even has mastered certain abilities and skills, which can then be used to accelerate career growth in a field, rather than a particular job. Benefits of getting a professional certification. You will have experience after completing a certification. Better employment or advancement. Better opportunities within your current organization. A competitive advantage over other candidates in the market who don't have a certification, as it verifies both skills and ambition through the initiative you took to obtain it. Higher earning potential. Possible tuition reimbursement for continuing education that enhances your own professional development and makes you more valuable to the company. Here are 6 popular certifications you can take online. 1. A project management certification can help you advance your career as it reflects your level of education, skill and persistence. It's also ideal because it isn't just limited to one industry. It can apply in healthcare, publishing, information services, professional services, construction, finance and insurance. This certification is offered by the Project Management Institute and includes prerequisites, such as a high school diploma, and 35 hours of project management education. To obtain this certification, candidates must organize their work experience on the application and pass a multiple-choice exam, which is now available online. 2. Society of Human Resources Management certifications. There is 2 certification that is available to take. They are both effective June 1st of each year. An HR certification demonstrates to employers that you are knowledgeable and skilled in organizational structure. Through these certifications, candidates may find they have a higher earning potential and more career opportunities, whether they pursue a career in HR or not. 3. The Leadership and Management Certificate. A leadership and management certification can make you more competitive for new jobs, increase your earning potential and position you for promotions within your current company. This certification includes learning on topics such as strategic decision-making, motivating people for high performance, coaching skills for leaders and leading collaborative teams. Wharton Online University of Pennsylvania offers a 100% online certificate program in leadership and management which you can complete in 4 to 6 weeks. 4. The Certified Professional Salesperson. While not appropriate for every position, candidates for sales positions can stand out by becoming a certified professional salesperson. This demonstrates competence in a well-known sales philosophy and that the holder has learned from an expert how to improve their sales abilities. 4. The National Association of Sales Professionals, NASP, offers a 6-week online training course available to those interested in advancing their sales profession. 5. The CompTIA Core Certifications. If you're seeking an entry-level or associate-level position, like a help desk role, analyst certifications like the CompTIA A+ or Network Plus certifications can help your resume stand out. Both examinations are offered online and plenty of resources are available from various IT online communities. The A+ certification is designed to certify the competency of entry-level computer service professionals, verifying that they can maintain, customize and operate personal computers. The Network Plus certification is a mid-level certification for network technicians that verifies their ability to install, maintain and troubleshoot a network. It also certifies their abilities to understand different networking technologies. 6. The Salesforce certifications. Many departments, from marketing to sales, rely on the Salesforce software and their customer relationship management platform. A candidate who is certified on the Salesforce platform can more quickly assimilate into an organization that uses it, allowing for less training and more rapid onboarding. Salesforce offers multiple certifications based on your role that you can prepare for online and obtain through a virtual proctored exam. If you are pursuing a role in sales, marketing or customer service, this is a great software certification to consider. Here are some suggestions to help you decide which certification is right for you. Talk to your employer. If you're considering pursuing a certification but are unsure of which will best support your career goals and advancement, they may have some suggestions for certifications that would give you the necessary skills to enhance your resume or even position you for a promotion. Your company may even be willing to pay or provide a partial refund for a certification program if it's related to your current job. Talk to other professionals. Ask coworkers or others in your field what kind of certifications they suggest pursuing. Start by talking to those who are in a position you aspire to hold. They may hold certifications or be able to recommend some that could help you advance your career. Check local schools. Often, local colleges, community colleges and vocational schools offer certification programs. Review what they have to offer before you make a final decision. Find one that fits your schedule, to better ensure you complete the certification and do so quickly. Thank you for watching my video today on the 6 online certifications. If this is the first time visiting my channel, subscribe. Then click the bell to get updated jobs and other information. And click the thumbs up to like this video.